ki khubor ki bebnia ka jing penbet penbiang na kabenta ka jing penbet Khappud Hapdeng ka Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam ha ki hinriu tuli ki jaka badang sa Hapdeng ka Jingiakren kala Sahteng na kadaw ka jingja sya siat hambukro umitri rangba ka Jylla upanrit kesang maula ong bakilat mu ban pelong ya ka jingelang minta ka tayo hindai na kadaw ka jingja besngongsi ka jinglong jingman kala nang wanra jing shushu bat ka sorkar kan omla ban lej penlong Jingiakren mardor Kajingelang hakasin ke beningkong bat ki regional committee kawat ke baar jong Jingiakren ban penbet dia ki jaka Khappud badon ka Jingiakajia lakmi linti ban penlong hapo uniu benai.
Go forward. I was expecting that this month itself, in this week in fact, we had expected to meet before the unfortunate incident took place. But now with all of this happening, I think situation is slightly complicated. So maybe we may not be able to go for it immediately, though we still strongly feel that this is the way to move forward. We are very much committed to resolving it, and we want to work as fast as possible to resolve it, because that's the only permanent way to ensure that these kind of incidents can be completely avoided in the future. But because of the unfortunate incident that took place, circumstances have changed. And hence we will have to take some time, we'll have to keep having discussions with Assam government and government of India and see when it will be appropriate to have a talk with them again.
Karibhoi District Regional Committee